Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So children, today we are going to start part 2 of lesson number 3, that is adaptation in animals for class 4th. Before starting part 2, let us recollect what we have learned in the part 1. In the part 1, we have learned about different types of animals based on the place, like where do they live. So we have found terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals and aerial animals. Today we will discuss about animals based on the food. Okay, like what type of food the animals eat. I hope that all the animals will not eat same type of food. Definitely there are different types of food which are eaten by the animals, that we will discuss in our part 2, that is adaptation for food. So adaptation for food, it has been divided into 4 types: herbivorous animal, carnivorous animal, omnivorous animal, parasitic animals. Let us start with the herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals, जो एनिमल सिर्फ प्लांट्स खाते हैं, उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? उन्हें हर्बीवोरस एनिमल्स बोलते हैं. सो प्लांट से जुड़े हुए कोई भी पार्ट वो खा लेंगे. They will not eat flesh of other animals. They just eat what? Plants. These type of animals are called as what? Herbivorous animals. Example is what? Giraffe, zebra, cow, buffalo, goat and horse. So these animals, they only depend on plants. Plant के अलावा ये और किसी चीज को नहीं खाएंगे. So giraffe, the one benefit for them is that they have a long neck, and with the help of that long neck, जो टॉल ग्रास है, जो टॉल ट्रीज है, वो लोग उनका भी प्लांट्स को खा सकते हैं. सो हाउ डू दे ईट प्लांट्स? डेफिनेटली क्योंकि प्लांट्स के वुड स्टेम बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रहते हैं. हाउ डू दे ईट? सो दीज हर्बिवोरस प्लांट्स, दे हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग लेग्स, sharp cutting teeth, okay, as well as a grinding teeth. So with the help of their teeth, they can cut the plants, the trees, the leaf, and they can grind. Okay, so these were the herbivorous animals. Coming back to carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals are one which eat flesh of other animals. So these carnivorous animals, ये लोग घास फूस नहीं खाएंगे. Okay, they eat what? They eat flesh of other animals. So example of these carnivorous animals are lions, tigers, cats and dogs. These are the carnivorous animals. Not only that, even eagle, vultures and penguins, they are also regarded as what? Carnivorous animals. When it comes to water animal, shark. Fish carnivorous animal नहीं है, but water animal में जो shark है, shark को carnivorous animal कहते हैं. So even if you birds में penguin is there. Penguin is also called as what? A carnivorous animal. So you can find whether it is a land animal, whether it is a flying animal or whether it is a water animal. इन सब जगहों पे सब अलग अलग टाइप में you have animals, few animals which eat flesh. Not all the birds will eat flesh, not all land animals will eat flesh, not all water aquatic animals will eat flesh. But you can, in all the items, you can find 1 or 2 animals which eat what? Flesh. How do they eat flesh? Their teeth, their claws are very strong, which helps them to catch the animal and eat that animals with the help of what? Sharp beaks. जो उनके क्लॉज, उनके जबड़े, जो उनके teeth रहते हैं, वो बहुत तेज होते हैं, जिसके वजह से वो लोग easily animals को खा सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? ओमनिवोरस एनिमल्स. ओमनिवोरस एनिमल्स वो एनिमल्स होते हैं जो एनिमल्स एज वेल एज प्लांट्स, वो दोनों को खाते हैं. वो लोग ग्रीन प्लांट्स भी खाते हैं एंड वो लोग एनिमल्स को भी खाते हैं. These animals are called as what? Omnivorous animal. So these animals, there are many different types of animals. You can see over here: bear, crow, cockroaches, etc. So these animals, ये हर चीज खा लेंगे, whether it is plants or whether it are animals. Examples are given over here. Even the human beings are also regarded as omnivorous animals. Few human beings are not omnivorous, but there are few human beings जो plants भी खाते हैं. Even they eat the flesh like meat, mutton, egg, fish. So even the human beings are also regarded as what? Omnivorous animal or human being. So how do they eat? They have a grinding teeth. They have 2 pairs of teeth, okay, which helps them to tear. helps them to chew, as well as a cutting teeth. So this helps them to eat even a green leafy and green leafy parts of a plant as well as the flesh of an animal. Next is what? Parasitic animal. Parasitic animal is those animals which lies on animals as well as inside the human body. Like example, fleas, bug, mosquito, leech. ये लोग क्या है? इन animals का flesh नहीं खाते हैं, but they eat the liquid part of the animals, like mosquito. They eat what? They eat blood. They suck blood. And okay, and few leech. Many animals are there जो small animals, tiny animals जो animals के skin के अंदर एकदम उसपे चिपक जाते हैं. Okay, so that animals, then what they do? They suck blood. They depends on blood. So these type of animals are called as what? Parasitic animals. So we have discussed about the food, like how the animals adopt different types of food. Next is what? Protection. How do animals protect themselves? So when it come to flight मतलब क्या? जो small birds, bees रहते हैं, वो लोग अपने आप को कैसे protect करते हैं? Like frog, housefly, fish. Okay, these animals, they move very fast. It is not easy, but we will catch, but not easy for other animals to catch fish or housefly or frog quickly, because frog also jumps very fast, fish also moves very fast, so that's why they can escape when it comes to the enemies. So they even have strong legs, fins, as well as jump to move away. Deer, rabbit, birds, they protect themselves by running. So when you see a geography channel, you can find out that whenever there is an enemy which want to hunt them, so easily with the help of their activities, with the help of their legs, with the help of their wings, they can easily escape the enemies. Few animals are like big size. Then next is what? Big size. So animals are big size, and it is not possible for the other animals to eat those animals, like lion, elephant, whale. So these cannot be eaten by the other animals because of their size. Next is what? Mimicry and camouflage. Mimicry or camouflage is nothing but which adjust themselves according to the nature. Okay, like for example, this mimicry and camouflage helps for that animal because the other animal cannot search that animal. For example, few animals will have a leaf-like shape. तो वो लोग झाड़ के ऊपर रहते हैं. So other animals, even the human beings, cannot identify because leaf का shape भी same है और वो animal का shape भी same है. So we cannot identify them. That thing is called as what? Mimicry and camouflage. Next is what? Polar bear. Polar bear color as well as the snow color is very similar. That's the reason when we are seeing, we cannot identify polar bear quickly because of the same color, because snow and polar bear color is same. Next is what? Insect. Few insects are there which looks like a stick, and that's how we cannot identify even insect. That is called as what? Mimicry and camouflage. Next is hibernation. Hibernation is nothing but escaping themselves, अपने आप को छुपा देना. That is called as what? Hibernation. In easy terms, अपने आप को छुपा देना. So few animals like frog, lizard and crocodile, they cannot tolerate cold. उनको ठंड बर्दाश्त नहीं होती है, तो ये लोग क्या करते हैं? विंटर के सीजन में कई जगह पे जाके छिप जाते हैं. और वो टाइम पे उनको खाना कैसे मिलता है? उनको खाना वो लोग स्टोर कर लेते हैं. ओके, तो समर के सीजन में ये लोग बाहर आएंगे, बट विंटर्स के सीजन में ये लोग कहीं कोने में जाके छिप जाएंगे एंड खाना जो उनका स्टोर रहता है वही खाना वो लोग खाएंगे. So this is called as what? Hibernation, and that food is stored in their bodies. Next is what? Migration. Migration is nothing but moving from one place to another place. Like कुछ animals जो गर्मी बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते या जो सर्दी बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते, तो क्या होता है? वो लोग एक प्लेस से लेके दूसरे प्लेस में चले जाते हैं. That is called as what? Migration. Extinct animals में जो animal मर चुके हैं. So these extinct animals वो थे, but many years ago dinosaurs रहते थे, but आज we cannot find dinosaurs. Okay, they died because they could not adjust. वो लोग ये surroundings में adjust नहीं कर पा रहे थे, इसके वजह से वो लोग extinct हो गए. Like they died. We can find tigers also. Okay, there are only few tigers left in our world. So why? Because they cannot adjust with our surroundings, because we are cutting trees. so they cannot adjust over here. That's the reason we I think dinosaurs have died, so I think few years we cannot find even tigers also. That's the reason we are saying to don't cut the trees. So the animals which we cannot find, that are called as what? Extinct animals. Okay children, so with this we have completed our lesson, that is lesson number 3, adaptation in animals. I have given you keywords. I hope the people have written down in your classwork, and yeah, I complete objective part as well as question answers as soon as possible, and your duty is that you read the lesson. It's not that you should only watch the videos. First you should read the lesson, and then afterwards you need to watch the video. Then only you can understand it properly. Okay children, we will meet soon with our new lesson, new session. Till then, take care.